Welcome to your tutorial about your mailing system. We're in the administration panel that you've been to before, and go to components up the top here, and the first one, Acymailing. Just click on there, and here we have the control panel. Tells you all the things there you can do. Users, if we click in there, that's just everyone on the site at the moment. That's there because I sent myself a newsletter test, so I'm not subscribed. It's telling you that if you mouse over, subscribe to the newsletter. If we go to lists, there's the newsletter has gone out to those people in that list. Here's our newsletters. There's none set up at the moment, but our template is set up. Templates, and even though that doesn't show the correct picture there, there's our template there. You don't really need to go in there. Adrian can go in there and make changes if need, or I can. So I've set up a template like that. We can change any of this, so just for now, to show you how it's set up. So that's the template. If you find that this scrolls back, just go back to here and make sure you're not clicked on this template like this with this box around. It tends to not want to scroll up. So if you go to newsletters, we're going to create a new newsletter. I'll just call it that for now. Number one, and it's published, yes, visible, yes, and that stays like that. And I will just save that here. So there's your newsletter. So there's the one that you type in now, so you can take out all that, and it's the same as the web pages basically. Don't sort of touch anything here. That stays, special code stays in there so people can unsubscribe. You can send yourself a test, preview and send test to, and other, and type in your email address, send a test. So that's quite good. And the way you see it there is not exactly how it looks. It actually shows up properly when it comes in your email. So I'll just close that, and I'll go back to there. So there's my newsletter there. So you just need to, I've done 2 rows here. There's a row there, so you can have a picture in there. You can type in there, do 2 sections, or up here you can just delete the row, insert another row, or delete a row. It just keeps everything tidy. It's called a table. So if anything needs to be changed in the main template, like here, you can do that first before you do this. So I'm going to cancel that. It's already saved. And then I have my users. So new, I want to put in an email address, the name, yes, here, and here we are, subscribe to everything. You can actually set what people subscribe to, so you have different things. Cancel that, so then you can put in a new user, and when you send out this newsletter, there'll be statistics saying, you can actually put attachments as well, sender information, you can put that in there. That's in the main settings anyway, but that will become clear when you send, when you get to that point. And in the configuration, there's settings here saying what happens when the emails go out. So that's where you have how many we are, maximum number of emails per batch, pause between the batches for 20 seconds, and in 1 hour requeue it, maximum number of tries, so to make that 2. And there we go. So don't worry about any of those, but probably you might be concerned with those at time to time. So that's where you find it. Go back to Control Panel, Components, and you can go to one of these, or if you click here, obviously go to the main screen. It shows you the users over here as well, but remember, users, there is an import setting, but it looks a bit tricky, so it might be best to just put users in here. And that's about it. That's a quick rundown. Bye for now.